Miss Alice.
Sorry, Your Honor.
You purchased land in specifically Anupul, Banban, Tarlac noong February 28, 2019. Do you remember?
Anong pong lot po yun, Your Honor? Sorry.
This is a 10,000 square meters na lot. You bought it from Restituto de la Cruz.
Yan po yung Baofu po.
Ito yung sinasabi niyong pinurchase niyo na Baofu. And yung pinurchase niyo to, it was classified as agricultural. Correct?
Your Honor, I cannot answer for that.
You purchased it,
Opo.
hindi mo alam kung anong classification ng land? So you
Hindi ko lang po maalala to be exact.
But this is your land and you purchased it. Ang laki-laki ng land na to.
Yes po. Yung reclassification, hindi ko lang po maalala yung reclassification.
Okay. Hindi mo maalala. Paalala ko na lang po sa inyo dahil meron naman tayong official document ng Office ng Sangguniang Bayan. Pakita po natin. Na kayo po talaga ang lumapit sa Sangguniang Bayan. Hindi ka pa po mayor neto, tama? Miss Alice?
2019 po,
Yes,
hindi
so
pa po.
Hindi pa po. So ikaw yung lumapit for the reclassification. A month after you bought the agricultural land to reclassify it to be, I think, commercial para makapag-operate on whatever businesses there.
For Baofu po, Your Honor, all the answers po may use against me in the court, I invoke my right against self-incrimination
So for the
po.
information lang of everyone, so a month after the purchase ng agricultural land, nakausap niya ang Sangguniang Bayan para ma-reclassify ito so that pwedeng pumasok ang mga iba't ibang businesses so they can operate. Which alam naman po natin na ito po yung mga sinabi ni Congresswoman Luistro na nag-ooperate ng mga POGO operations doon sa land ng Baofu. And ito yung alarming, no? So, Baofu, in 2019, Baofu Land Development as a corporation, nag-purchase ng mga, ng land. Baofu mismo, nag-purchase ng land. And, are you saying, Miss Alice, that wala kang kinalaman sa Baofu except the ownership of the land?
Ma'am, Your Honor, regarding Baofu, I invoke my right against self-incrimination po.
So I'll show na lang to this committee, to everyone, that we have a deed of sale of Baofu purchasing land noong April 5, 2019. The alarming thing dito, Mr. Chair, is April nag-purchase ang Baofu Land Development as a corporation. Pero ang articles of incorporation ng Baofu, May pa lang siya na-incorporate. So, kung a month after lang na-incorporate ang Baofu Land Development, I don't understand kung bakit nakapag-purchase or buhay na ang Baofu Land Development at nangyari itong deed of sale ng pag-purchase ng land before nabuhay pa tong Baofu Land Development. It's very, very alarming. And what's alarming is nire-raise na rin ni Congresswoman Jinky, no? Yung mga incorporators, part of Baofu, which you said earlier na dapat, diba, kilala mo ang mga kasama mo sa isang corporation. Yung dalawang names po na kasama dun sa Baofu, pakita lang po natin, ay itong ang si Bao Yingling and si Ziyang Huang, which Miss Alice, you said kilala mo tong si Ziyang, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And bakit naman makikipag-ugnayan ka sa mga kriminal? Why do a business with them? Do you know that they are convicted?
Your Honor, as much as honestly regarding Baofu, ayoko na po talaga sumagot. Pero doon sa question nyo po na bakit po ako nakipag-ugnayan sa mga kriminal, Your Honor, hindi ko po alam sila ay kriminal. Ang nakilala ko po dyan is Huang Ziyang. Way back 2017 or 2016.
So you did not do any background check? Wala kang nakikitang news?
Nakikita ko
Hindi mo
normal
nakikita
naman. Labas-pasok naman ng bansa. Normal naman, may negosyo po sa Clark.
You didn't see anything suspicious of them or what?
Nakilala ko po sila na nag-cooperate po sila. Actually, to